Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting here for SUI on the all-time history to see where are we and where are we heading. For the bullish and the bearish scenarios, we have of course a 1-2 and then another 1-2 here, potential 3-4-5-4-5 towards the upside of course as a first possibility. Now, as a second possibility, it was of course that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now your wave 4, or yesterday your wave 4 has hit of course your wave 1 here, losing of course this scenario as a bullish scenario as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. So therefore, I'm gonna remove this and push it toward the upside because of course this now is a higher potential, higher possibility since we have invalidated an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, another scenario is, of course, that you have finished A, B, and a C. We finished the ABC in the blue. We're looking at 3 waves toward the downside and then continuation toward the upside. Meaning your bearish scenario is an ABC here toward the downside, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the downside. This is your short-term bearish scenario, and then of course looking for higher again. Well, of course it was the same scenario actually, because you have still the same 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, meaning double 1, 2 still there, and of course 3 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation for higher. Did we finish this structure as a wave A in, of course, 3 waves toward the downside? Not yet. Why? Because, of course, I already analyzed it, but yeah, let's move inside it to see what's going on. So what we are looking at here, guys, we, of course, as mentioned, it's an A, a B, and a C. Your correction as a triangle here is your wave B potentially, and you're finishing here, of course, as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and ending diagonal toward the downside with impulses. Yeah, very rare to see ending diagonal with impulses, but this is the case scenario here for SUI. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially, or a zigzag. It can be even a zigzag, by the way. Yeah, because we invalidate this. Yeah, as 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we invalidate? Yeah, very. Yeah, let's just take it as a zigzag, meaning impulse, correction, impulse, and then of course a zigzag towards the downside for wave 2. Another impulse, correction, impulse for a wave 3, and then ABC for a wave 4 here, right? So ABC, and then of course we're looking for another zigzag towards the downside. As you can see, the blue box was already our aim, and we hit it perfectly yesterday. So very, very nice. And of course, our much more higher precision right now for a wave 4. Yeah, of course, because we did not finish it yet. So potentially, right now we're looking for this wave 4. Here we go. And yeah, it should be based on the wave 3, the wave 4, sorry. Here we go. Here we go. A wave 4 in diagonal should be exactly this. Here we go. Very, very close to the green box here. Of course, it can overshoot to the 0.618, but preferably, of course, this area. Yeah, between the 2.47, 2.34. What to expect after it? Of course, one more drop toward the downside. Now, of course, the second drop has to be taken from your wave 3, and of course the bottom of your wave 4. Here we go. Wave 5 as diagonal here is the following. So potentially 1.7, 1.8 is our much more precise target. Yeah. So let's shrink this blue box actually to this area. Here we go. Somehow like that, guys. Very nice. Yeah. So this is a much precise target. I believe that this wave here, this blue box, is still gonna be taken soon or later. Meaning this blue box here is gonna be taken for a wave B, as of course expected. And this is your wave A, B, and a C, potentially finishing wave B or wave 2 here. Of course, what I mean was wave B is this one. Yeah. 3 waves up, 3 waves down for a wave B, or you have 1, 2, 1, 2, right? And for a wave 2 here, and then continuation to the upside. Yep. So after this low, we are definitely expecting higher prices in all case scenarios. Yeah, in all case scenarios. Why? Because he also finished 3 waves down here, and the potential of being a wave 2 towards the upside is also high. Okay, so yeah, so the potential to be here in double 1-2 is also very, very high, guys. So we have to estimate even if we, of course, have something like already bullish from now. Yeah, so I'm gonna explain just after putting this in bigger counting here to not get lost, guys. So this is wave 1, 1, 2. Okay, yeah, potentially. Okay, this one was, sorry, the micro, and this one was the minor. Here we go. This is what we are looking at. I know it's a little bit here confusing because, of course, we have several counts as a wave 1, but I have one for double 1-2, 1-2, right? And then, of course, actually we can remove it. We can put it exactly there. Here we go. So whether we move from here, guys, for a wave B after 3 waves down, okay, so this is what I mean with it. After 3 waves down, potentially you finish a wave 2, potentially you finish a wave B, of course, with this one more low, and then moving toward the upside for a big wave 3 and 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Or 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Here is very shallow. Yeah, for this scenario, A, B, and a C, meaning a wave A here, and a wave B. Your wave B is very shallow in time regarding the time for this wave A. Yeah, look at the time of this wave A, and in comparison, look at the time of your wave B. Yeah, it's very, very, very low. So possibilities. So basically, if we are in a wave B here, your wave B has to take this blue box somehow in 3 waves and continuation toward the upside. This time here is perfect for a wave 2 in double 1-2. That is a beautiful time for a wave 2, so continuation toward the upside. If we're moving for higher, I would call a wave 3. Yeah, so that was it for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.